Hello guys, welcome to our channel, hope you all are well. Today I will give you the idea of a site through which you can buy different groups by SEO tools very easily. Without further ado, let's start the video. You will register with complete information and login. Once done, after login you will be taken to the dashboard. On the dashboard you will see different types of packages, and packages from light packages to advanced packages can be accessed here. Then I will show you a package. It is a light package. In this package you can see that there are various AI tools that you can use for SEO or article writing and keyword research. Friends, you can see here one tool we visited, and this tool name is Nail Patel's tool. This tool is a very popular SEO tool that allows you to do keyword research. It is very cheap at just $3.50. Friends, now I will see in this tool limitation option. Whether there is any limitation in this tool, the rules for using it, you can see here the details of each tool and which one can be used unlimited and which one is limited. Friends, apart from these you can see the other options that you can buy premium VPN from here, and you can buy it in your private account. You can also earn through affiliate if you share it among your friends. And if you want, you can purchase apps or AI software with these different Visa cards, MasterCards, American Express.